Watch there be nothing. Oh, it's a door within a door. Pull it, pull it.
Scarier.
Pull it. Is that glass?
It's plexiglass. I fucking heard noises, dude.
Dude, fucking do it.
Ugh. Do you hear it echoing?
We have to do it now.
Holy shit.
Are you?
This is insane.
Oh.
There's a flashlight in my backpack. Go get the flashlight. It's in the top.
What the fuck?
Oh, it doesn't make any difference. This is so deep.
Bro, but you can see it, like, there. Hold on.
There's a ladder.
No.
Yeah. I'm not going down the
No,
ladder.
absolutely not.
And this flashlight's
Hold on.
I need a rock.
Yeah, hold on. Okay.
Holy shit. I think we're gonna get haunted now.
Okay, yeah. What?